Hi guys, so I have a pretty short, for me at least, Temu haul. And I'll just get right into it. So I pre-upped on bags. So I get all of my bags that I use for packaging and for organizing a lot of my paper and ephemera and stuff from Temu. So I will put a link. I did post a video on how I organize my paper collections, and I did show these bags. And so I needed to reorder quite a few sizes. It's been like a year since I ordered some, so I did reorder some of my favorite sizes, and I will put a link below to this whole order so you could maybe grab. I do some of the ones that are like small, like tiny, I use for really, really small things that I usually want to put into another bag. So the tiny ones I don't have as many of as the other ones, but I do sometimes need them. So, and I have other sizes too that I buy that are like even bigger, and I usually try to package. When I do a swap, I try to put the whole entire swap inside of a bag because I just believe that paper belongs in plastic because, you know, rain and all the things in the mail. So I even got some square bags this time, which is fun. So I just got a bunch of these. So I will put a link in the description bar that'll have a link to all of those. So there's that. I did pick up a few dies. This die was so cute, and I just thought it would be so adorable, especially since we're all like embracing a lot of ruffles and frilly stuff, and that's like very big in like the journaling and crafting community. So I loved that. And then I love this. This is just border, a lot of different border dies. I did buy some rickrack ones that are all rickrack, but I liked all of these little borders for journals, so that's what I got that for mini albums and stuff. This was a fail because this is only one, and I just don't know how that happened because I always read mine. I think it doesn't say on here, like when it shows you a picture of it, it shows you like a bunch, but then when you order it, it just, I don't feel like it tells you how many. So this, I already got a refund for, because I'm like, it was $2. Let me see what the price was. I would never, this was $1.80. Now when you look on there, it's $2.74. For one bead, I would never, ever pay that. And I usually read the, I always read the description, so it just must have been not clear. So I was gonna just, you know, send it back, but they just let me keep it. So I need to find it again, but find like, I guess it's ceramic. I don't know if that's the reason why it's so expensive, but I'm doing some cherry mail in the summer, like just some fun like racks that are going to be cherry themed for the summer, because I don't really like summer crafting, so I do like this kind of stuff, so I'll just do that. You know, people do fruits, whatever. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to have to find some other cherry. I did find, actually in this haul, I found some cherry silicone like focal beads, which I don't usually like silicone beads, not really, but these are cute, so I was okay with these. These are adorable. So I did get a set. So these were, yeah, $180 each. These were $357 for 10, which is a pretty good price. Silicone beads are expensive, so if I can find them for like under 50 cents a bead, I consider that like a great win. So I got a set of these. It came with 10. So that's super cute. And then I also got, oh, okay, so I got a bunch of these. So now I'm just gonna show you, this is the last part of my haul. I got 5 different colors of these, and these are just, I think I hauled one of these again. I ended up hauling one of them again, or maybe I hauled a different color, a different color scheme, but these are all stickers. They're like die cut stickers. They were all, so the green one and the blue one were $1.33, and the rest of them were $1.66, which I don't know why, you know, the color and why this one is wrapped differently than the rest of them. So strange, but they're flowers. They're so pretty. So I'm going to show you guys, I'll show you guys the purple set, and then you can kind of, you know, get the hang. Although this video is pretty short, so maybe I'll just quickly go through them all. So I think you get 3 of each. They come in that cute little box. So here are the purple ones. It's all different shades of purple. So pretty. I love these. They're just so pretty. So that's that one. And then we have the pink one. And I think I said this, but it's $45 in each box. So of course I had to get the pink one. Of course, guys. Do you know me? So these are super cute. Oh yeah, I like that some of them are like rose colored. There's like a deeper mauve color. There's like a baby pink. There's all kind of pinks in here. Look at this. That's pretty. I like those. Okay. And then this one is like a cream color, which I think I bought this one twice. I do love this one the most though. So no, I definitely did not buy this one. This is not the same one. Okay, so these are like more vintagey looking. I guess this is maybe, it's kind of orange and tan. So this must be like what they consider like the orange kind of one. So that's pretty. Okay, and then we have green. And I won't keep these in these boxes anyway, so it's fine that I'm taking them out. I'll just organize them immediately. The green one is super pretty too. Look how pretty they are. Like for $1 and change. They feel like matte vinyl. They are very, very, very pretty. And remember I said you get like 3 of each, so very nice. And then the blue. Oh, I'm excited about the blue. I love blue. I really love most of the colors. I'm becoming more into purple, but I've always loved blue and green and pink. I really just, the only color that I really don't like that much is actually red. It's not that I don't like it that much, which is funny. Would you believe that was one of my wedding colors, cranberry, but it's because I got married in November. And I do like red. I just don't like to craft with it, I guess is a better way to say it. This is so pretty. I love the blue one. Okay, so that's it. This was a super quick haul. This might be the shortest Temu haul I've ever done because I didn't show you all these bags and all the things and I broke it up. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.